Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse LT. This vehicle is featured in silver metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, dual sunroofs, and power liftgate. On the interior we have our heated seats, heated steering wheel, Bose speaker system, backup camera, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now moving on to the interior of the Traverse. On our door panel, we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as our liftgate controls, Bose speaker and storage. Side of the seat, we have our power adjustable seat option, as well as lumbar support. And left of the steering wheel, we have our lighting controls, our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Behind that is our push start. Then our infotainment screen with backup camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. We also have this button underneath that allows the screen to fold up, revealing a storage cubby behind. We also have our radio controls, dual zone climate controls, and heated seat options underneath. Charging outlets, storage for our phone, and there's our key. You can see we have our remote start and liftgate release. Gear selection stock, 2 cup holders, electric park brake and all-wheel drive controls. We can also shift this vehicle into 2-wheel drive in a bit more favorable driving conditions for better fuel economy. Our padded leather center console lid with copper stitching. Front seats featured in black leather. Copper stitching throughout, and again they're heated. Our rear view mirror, doubled as a rear view camera. Above that we have OnStar controls, reading lights, and dual sunroofs overhead. Now back onto the exterior, we can see we have our chrome and gunmetal gray alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, Traverse badging in chrome, as well as paint matched mirror caps and door handles. We have our chrome lock and unlock buttons on all 4. Rear privacy tint. Then around to the back we have our Traverse, all-wheel drive and LT badging in chrome, dual exhaust, and power liftgate. Now onto the rear interior, we can see we have our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, storage, and padded leather armrest. Back of the front seats, we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our rear charging outlets and climate control. The back seats, we have our 2 bucket seats here with fold-down leather armrests. They're also on rails, so we can slide them forward and backwards. Then in the far back, we have a 60-40 split. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse LT. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.